2021, the heat dome, just like a lot of people, we were cooked out of our house. And also just, as I say, the concern for the environment too. We thought we need to do some research and find out what's out there. And the heat pump seemed to make the most sense. It's important to have a comfortable home both in the winter and in the summer. And I think I can feel better with it knowing that we've chosen the most efficient and greenest system that I'm aware of. So it's an outdoor unit that is hooked up to our existing ducting. The old oil furnace, it used to make a big whoomp when it started up, right? You could hear it through the vents. The air that came through was quite aggressive. So now we don't hear it at all. We're not getting this big rush of air. It seems like a gentler heat. We were going through close to 2,000 liters of heating oil a year, so we're not doing that anymore, so we're happy with that. I applied to the federal, the provincial, and the municipal programs. The federal program was quite involved, but it was the biggest rebate. The RDN one was by far the easiest one to apply for. It makes a lot of sense for sure, and the environmental thing is really important to us, and I think probably a lot of people too. It was a bit overwhelming, so I was directed to the Green BC Energy Coach, and they were awesome. That was sort of the starting point. It's a lot all at once. Probably starting with that Energy Coach is the best place to start. Do your research, make the contacts. There seems like there's lots of resources out there. Since we've gone through the program, we've talked to a lot of people about it, and there's certainly a few of our friends and acquaintances that are looking into it. But they're still quite stunned that $10,000 would come in the mail, to be honest.